Hi, I'm Esther Bell. I'm the health and fitness writer here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be reviewing the Liteboxer Go. We reviewed the original Liteboxer a while back, and the main downside to it was that it's just a really big piece of equipment and it's kind of expensive. So the Liteboxer Go is the brand solution for anyone with less space in their home gym or apartment, or just a smaller budget to work with when it comes to fitness equipment. So the Liteboxer Go kit comes with these 2 wrist straps and 2 sensors that you insert into them, a charging case for the sensors, a stand for your tablet or your phone, and 2 little handheld weights that you can use when taking classes. So like with the original Shield, you have targets that you want to hit during Liteboxer classes. So instead of using a physical target, you just have a virtual Shield on your phone or a TV or whatever you're using to work out. So what the sensors do, they strap right onto your wrist, and they sense where you're hitting and if you're hitting on beat, because all of Liteboxer classes are set to music. Liteboxer has a companion app that you use to take classes, and once you sync these little sensors to the app, you're pretty much good to go. You can use your phone or your tablet or stream classes to a TV even. You need a subscription to use the Liteboxer app. So if you buy just a month-to-month $20 subscription, the Liteboxer Go equipment costs $100. But if you buy a longer subscription for a year or 2 years for $200 to $300, the equipment is included with that purchase. So my favorite thing about the Liteboxer Go and the original Liteboxer 2 are Liteboxer's classes. They are all so fun. Classes range from 5 to 45 minutes long and are categorized to beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. And you could take sparring sessions, boxing classes, and even strength training sessions. So no matter whether you have 30 minutes or 15 minutes for class, no matter your skill level, you can find one that fits into your schedule. So your Liteboxer Go kit comes with 2 of these little hand weights that you can slide right on your finger like this and hold during class. And they made it a lot more difficult. These only weigh 1 pound, but they really upped the challenge for sure. One of the great things about Liteboxer Go is that it works very well in small spaces. You can just work out right in front of your phone or your TV with very minimal space. All you really need are the included sensors and wrist wraps, and you don't need any extra equipment or floor space for it really. And because it's so small, it's really portable, so if you want to work out somewhere else, you can take it with you. The main downside to Liteboxer Go is that these little wrist straps just can get kind of uncomfortable if you're doing a longer workout and you're getting really sweaty. If you tighten them too tightly on your wrist, they can just cause some chafing once you start to sweat. But if you leave them too loose, they move around while you're working out, so it's a little tough to find that balance. But I found a good solution was just wearing a long sleeve shirt underneath, and I didn't experience any irritation. Another thing that I didn't love about the Liteboxer Go was just that the included tablet stand is a little flimsy. It's just really lightweight plastic, and it jostled a little bit when I was moving around a lot right next to it. Once or twice, I definitely got nervous that my phone was going to fall off the stand, so I ended up just not using it for most classes. So overall, the pros are that the classes are really fun and informational, and the hand weights easily allow you to make classes more difficult. It's also great for small spaces. While the cons are the wrist straps can get uncomfortable and the included phone stand isn't stable enough. So is Liteboxer Go worth it? I definitely think so if you love boxing workouts. If you don't have space for the original Liteboxer Shield, you might feel unsure of how to get that workout in, and this is a really great solution for anyone with limited space or who doesn't want to spend the money on a big piece of equipment. Liteboxer's classes are so fun, and for only about $20 a month, they're a lot more affordable than taking in-person classes at a boxing studio. For the full review, check out our article at reviewed.com. The Liteboxer Go, it goes with you.